Imagine looking up at the night sky and knowing that an invisible comic monster is approaching. Not a comet, not an asteroid, a black hole. What would happen if a black hole passed through our solar system? Would Earth be swallowed instantly? Would the sun disappear? Let's find out. What exactly is a black hole? A black hole is an object with gravity so strong that even light can't escape. Most black holes form when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives. Despite their terrifying reputation, black holes don't go around sucking everything up like giant vacuum cleaners. They obey the same laws of gravity as other objects. If a black hole passed very far from our solar system, we might not notice anything immediately, but its gravity could slightly disturb the paths of planets, comets, and asteroids. Astronomers might detect strange movement in distant objects before seeing any direct evidence. Now imagine a black hole passing directly through our solar system. Its gravity would begin pulling on planets. Planetary orbits would become unstable, and some planets might move closer to the Sun, others would be pushed farther away. The carefully balanced structure of our solar system could start changing. Earth would not necessarily be swallowed. That is a common myth. The real danger would be gravity. The Earth's orbit changed significantly. Our climate could become unstable. A closer orbit could make Earth much hotter. A farther orbit could make Earth much colder. Either scenario could be devastating for life. The most dramatic possibility is a close encounter with the Sun. A black hole's gravity could disturb the Sun's motion. It could alter the orbits of every planet in the solar system. In an extreme case, planet could even be thrown into deep space. Fortunately, the chance of this happening is incredibly small. Should we worry? No. Scientists have found no evidence of a dangerous black hole heading towards our solar system. Space is unimaginably vast. Encounters like this are extremely rare. For now, Earth remains safe. Black holes are among the most fascinating objects in the universe. They can bend space, trap light, and reshape entire star systems. If no ever passed through our solar system, it could completely change the cosmetic neighborhood we call home. Thankfully, that remains a thought experiment, not a prediction. This is Nebula Astro, making the universe simple. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and continue in the journey with